Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Flavoursbytinski. I think everybody saw the viral video of Uncle Roger criticizing a BBC food video of egg fried rice.
Drain it.
Drain? What's she doing? What's she doing? Drain the... Oh my god!
It's hilarious. Check it out after this video. I will leave a link down below. Well, today I'm going to make the same egg fried rice from BBC food but better. We are going to make Nasi Goreng. I learned this recipe from my sister-in-law who is from Suriname. This is only the basics. There are so many variations of this dish and they all are wonderful. Let me know if you want to see other variations in the comments down below. Let's get it started. What do we need? Basmati rice, chicken, eggs, soy sauce, garlic, onions, galanga, daun salam, that's an Indonesian bay leaf, salt, and pepper. First, we start by cooking the rice. Before we cook the rice, we must wash it first. Add your rice to the rice cooker pot. Fill it with water and wash the rice. Turn the rice in the pot until the water gets cloudy. If the water is cloudy, drain the water and wash it again. Repeat this process until you have a clear water. Now we're going to cook the rice. And to cook the perfect rice, we will use this one simple trick that all Asians household use. And that is the finger. To know how much water we have to add to the rice to cook it perfectly, we just use our finger. Put the rice in the rice cooker and let it cook. But for the perfect fried rice, the rice has to be cold. So you can do it some hours before or even better the night before. Next, we are going to boil the chicken. Put a pot on the stove and let it boil. Add peppercorns and salt. Add the chicken when it reaches boiling temperature and let it cook for 20 minutes. We let the chicken cool off for a bit and we start by cutting our vegetables in the meanwhile. Cut the onions, cut your garlic, as well as cut your galanga. Now we start by plucking our chicken. Pluck it in the shape you prefer. This doesn't have to be perfectly even. Next, we are going to start making our fried eggs. Take 4 eggs, put them in a bowl, and scramble them. Add some salt and pepper for flavor. Let's start cooking. We take our wok. Yes, this is a big wok. It is perfect for making fried rice simply because of the big surface. If you don't have a wok, you can take a pan. Heat up your wok and add the oil you prefer. Now pour the egg into the wok and scramble it. And when it's done, take the scrambled eggs out. Add some more oil to the wok and start sauteing the galanga, onions, daun salam, and garlic. Season it with some chicken bouillon cubes, salt, and pepper. We deglaze those then with some soy sauce for some extra flavor. After that, we add the cold rice and quickly stir it. Make sure that the rice doesn't stick on the surface. Keep stirring until every rice is covered with the soy sauce. We then add the chicken and the scrambled eggs and mix it evenly. Et voila, this is it, delicious fried rice. If you want, you can sprinkle some spring onions on top. It is so tasty. You, and for sure Uncle Roger, will love it too. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also press on the cards to see other videos of me. I see you guys next time.